Hey everyone, this is Jose with eXpRealty, and I want to talk to you today about probate and in particular estate planning. Now, estate planning is the effort to organize your assets in a way that when you pass away, they are properly dispersed to either your heirs or minor children or to charities. Now, this is superior than just having a will or dying without a will or intestate, in that you're planning ahead of time how you want your belongings distributed. You're not waiting for a probate court to decide. You're not waiting for a legal dispute regarding your estate. All is being planned ahead of time, and you minimize any drama, for lack of a better word, um, after you pass away, which is probably the kindest thing you can do for your heirs, is give them clarity as to what is going to happen to those assets and who's going to get what. So quickly, a couple of things. Some components of estate planning. Wills. We have talked about wills that they can be contested, but they are a component of estate planning. They do have a place. There's also trusts, which are another way of distributing assets. They can be revocable, irrevocable. There's going to be legal terms I'm going to talk to you about. And like I said in the past, I am not an attorney. I am not a tax professional. So definitely reserve those questions for those professionals. But just as a point of reference, another component of estate planning is a power of attorney, healthcare proxy in case someone is unable to make medical decisions, living wills, um, and then some of the individuals that will be involved in estate planning is your estate planner or attorney, financial planner, accounts or tax advisors. There may be insurance professionals involved, executors, if you designate those ahead of time, trustees in the event of a trust. Those people will be handling the distribution of assets versus in a will situation, the executor or personal representative is the one distributing. There's a lot more to this, and I will leave that to my friends in the legal and tax world to answer your questions. But these are great things to discuss with an estate planning professional and with your tax professional so that you can make sure that your assets go to the people that you intended, whether it's your spouse, children, or charities, and that there's as little drama as possible at the other side of this process. So if you have any questions for me, feel free to scan the QR code, you get my number, or you can reach me through social media. Thank you and enjoy this beautiful day.